This is question number 2, and we are told simplify the expression 3a squared multiplied by b to power minus 3 all over divided by 2 to power minus 1 multiplied by a to power minus 2, and you multiply by b squared. So here you are being you did indices. You did indices in form 2, and you ran the rows of indices. So that is what is being tested in this question. You also ran that the inverse, that is a to power minus 1 is the same as 1 divided by a. That is what, so we can write this our expression here, and we say now that we have 3a squared and we have b to power minus 3, we bring it in the numerator and we remove the minus sign. So we are through with the numerator. We have the denominator. We have applying this principle. We have 2 to power minus 1. So that will become, because 1 over minus, that is a minus 1 is equals to a to power minus 1. So this means that we will apply here 2 will be 2 to power minus power 1, which is the same as 2. A is to power minus 2, so it will come in the numerator. So a to power 2, and we have now we have b squared. So that is how we rearrange, so that we remove the negative index. Now, in the rows of indices, you are taught that a to power m multiplied by a to power n is equals to a, that is a to power m plus n. Let's get that correct. The rows of indices, we have a to power m multiplied by a to power n is equals to a m plus n. That is the first row of indices. And we have the second one, a multiply a m to power m. You divide by a to power n is equals to a m minus n. And the third row of indices, we have a to power m all over into bracket n is equals to a m multiplied by n. So those are the 3 rows of indices. That's the first one, the second one, and the third one. So we apply. For example, in our expression here, we have a to power 2 and a to power 2. That means that we use the first row of indices to combine that. So this will give us 3 remains. A, now we add 2 plus 2, we get a to power 4. And we have multiplied by 3. So this means that we can change this. 2 multiplied by 3, that will give us 6. So that is the numerator. The second one, we also apply the same first row of indices, and we say this is b. We add 2, 3 and 5 and 2, we get 5. So that is we cannot simplify any further. So that means that will be our answer, and that is why you have been given 2 marks. 2 marks whereby you'll be able to get 1 mark here for applying the rows of indices, and then that is for being able to change the inverse, remove the negative indices, and another mark for simplifying, that is applying the rows of indices. In this case, we have only applied the first row of indices, and we have been able to simplify that. So that's how you work out that.